Prompt engineering made us better at asking models for answers, but the next step is bigger than one perfect prompt. In this lesson, I want to show the shift from designing a message to designing a work cycle, a loop where an agent reads context, takes action, observes real output, checks the result, and corrects itself until the work is actually done. Prompt engineering is still useful. A strong prompt can define the role, the constraints, examples, the desired format, and the definition of a good answer. If all you need is a single response, that can be enough. The problem starts when the task is not just answering, but producing something that has to survive contact with files, tests, data, and errors. A one-shot prompt does not automatically inspect a project, run a command, notice a failure, edit a file, and run the check again. It can describe what should happen, but the result is still just text unless the surrounding process closes the loop. Loop engineering changes the unit of design. The important object is no longer just the instruction. It is the cycle, goal, action, observation, evaluation, correction, and stopping condition. That is where agents become useful for real work. When you engineer a loop, you decide what state the agent can see, what tools it can use, what evidence counts, how failures are handled, what budget it has, and what condition tells it to stop. The prompt starts the process, but the loop governs the work. So here is the contrast. Prompt engineering asks, what do I say to the model? Loop engineering asks, what happens after the model answers? What does the agent check? What does it do when reality disagrees with the plan? Hermes is a good way to make this visible because the agent loop is not hidden behind a polished result. In the terminal, you can see prompts, tool calls, file edits, command output, test failures, and final verification. For the demo, we will use a small incident digest project. It has a CSV of support incidents, a policy document, and tests. The missing piece is a script that creates a clean markdown digest. First, we will ask for a plan. Then we will let Hermes run the loop and produce a verified artifact. Now we are in the Hermes command line interface in WSL. This is the place where the loop becomes visible. Prompts, tool calls, file changes, command output, and verification all in one workflow. First, the prompt engineering version. We ask for a practical plan only. This is useful. The agent can read the project, explain the rules, and outline a reasonable implementation. But at this stage, there is no finished digest and no passing test. This is the limit in a very concrete form. A good answer can sound correct, but until something is written and checked, we do not have a result. The plan is a map. The loop is the trip. Before building, we make the starting state explicit. The verification command fails because the implementation is missing. That failure matters. It gives the loop a real observation instead of a vague feeling that something needs to be done. Now we give Hermes a loop engineering task. Inspect the files, implement the missing script, run the tests, read any failures, patch the code, and continue until the command prints all tests passed. Notice the difference. The instruction includes the work cycle and the stop condition. This is the part a single prompt cannot replace. Hermes is not only describing the answer, it is using tools. It reads the project, writes code, runs the verifier, and uses the command output as feedback. If the check fails, the next step is informed by the failure, not by wishful thinking. The important moment is not the first generated file. The important moment is the verified result. The tests pass, and we can open the digest that was produced from the input data and policy. That is loop engineering. Model output connected to evidence. This is why the examples matter. Loop engineering is not just asking the model to be careful. It is arranging the environment so the agent can discover mistakes. The loop turns a language model from an answer generator into a worker that can compare its own output against reality. The takeaway is simple. Prompts start the work, but loops finish it. The next AI skill is designing reliable cycles that turn model output into verified outcomes. Context, tools, feedback, correction, and a clear finish line. A useful way to design a loop is to start with the check. Before asking the agent to work, decide what command, file, metric, or review will tell you whether the work is actually correct. If the check is vague, the loop will be vague too. Then, decide the tool boundary. What can the agent read? What can it change? What should it never touch? Good loop engineering gives the agent enough access to make progress, but keeps the task narrow enough that the result is inspectable. Finally, design the failure path. A strong loop treats errors as information. Test output, missing files, rejected formats, and broken assumptions are not interruptions. They are observations that tell the next step what to fix. That is the real upgrade from prompt engineering to loop engineering. You still need clear instructions, but the durable advantage comes from feedback, tools, observations, verification, correction, and a finish line the agent must actually satisfy.